Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to unpin tweets from your Twitter profile. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the top left corner. From the side panel, tap on the profile. Tap on the three dots icon at the side of the post you have pinned. Now tap on the Unpin from Profile option. Then tap on the Unpin. And you will unpin tweets from your profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to unpin tweets from your Twitter profile. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.